Okay, this is Tracy, and she's going to tell us about the home biogas system.
Hi, everybody. Yes, my name is Tracy. I'm with Home Biogas. This is a system. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is a system that uses anaerobic bacteria and the biological processes of it to convert your household kitchen waste or pet waste into about 2 hours worth of cooking gas a day and a liquid fertilizer a day.
Oh, yep. Wow. Okay.
About a kilo of input of organic material makes about an hour's worth of cooking gas.
Okay.
So depending on how much you put in there. This is the sink. This is where your scraps will go. This is a little plunger to push it down into the digester tank. Once you put it in there, it goes down into this bottom tank here. This is the digester. This is where all of the action takes place. So when you initially start the system, you fill that with water and some bacteria. That bacteria digests any food waste that you put in there, any pet waste, and turns it into biogas. It functions similar to a cow's digestive system.
Wow.
So the gas, as it produces the gas, it rises through this. There's a hydrogen sulfide filter in here to remove any smell and the impurities, and then the clean cooking gas goes into this gas bladder. And you can see exactly how much gas you have because it inflates as you produce the gas. This is their patented pressure system. When this arrives, you fill the bag with sand, and the weight of the sand and gravity pushes the gas out to your end stove.
Interesting. I wondered how that worked. Now, you said that you fill this part with water and bacteria, and what do you mean by bacteria? What do you put in there?
When you first get it, you can activate it either with any type of grass-eating animal manure. So you can use, I use horse manure because there's a horse farm near me. They like you to clean up their horse
Sure,
manure.
we used to own a horse farm, and we had people come and get ours, so I totally get that.
It's usually not a problem for people to start it, but if you don't have access to it or just don't want to deal with the manure, they have a bacterial starter kit that they provide.
Okay, and so, but it has to be grass-fed animals.
Yes.
Okay.
Cow, goats, horse.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it's just continually working as you're feeding. It continually produces gas, and then it produces a liquid fertilizer out the back end, which is high in nutrients. It's bioavailable to your plants.
So you use that for plants and gardens and things, that fertilizer? Okay, and then you said that it takes about a kilo of food to produce
about an hour's worth of gas.
And what can you tell me, like, what would a kilo of food look like? I have no idea.
I guess it depends on the weight of the food, but I add it'll accept up to 6 quarts of food a day or 15 quarts of animal manure, and then that's the maximum amount it'll take. I usually just put what I have left over in my kitchen after cooking, and it's usually just like a little bowl full, and I've always had enough gas for my needs. So.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you cook on the little stove over here?
So this is a biogas specific stove, and this is one that they can send with the system when you order it. It's made specifically for biogas. You can also attach it to liquid propane or natural gas stoves if they have removable orifices.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So you would, because those gases are compressed, they have a little nozzle on the usually inside the burner here with a small hole that lets the gas out slowly. You just take that out because this isn't compressed.
And so if you put it onto a propane or natural gas stove, you said?
Yeah, you would have to test the appliance.
And then would you do that, like, could you cook on that in your house, or would you have to be outside with it?
No, you can cook on it in your house. You just would have to have a licensed gas contractor or plumber.
To set it all up?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about safety? The safety factor, is it?
It's perfectly safe. It's not compressed gas, so there's not a risk of explosion. It's
good.
A small amount of gas, so even if the whole tank is released, it's not enough to make a big impact.
Well, 2 hours of cook time a day is plenty enough for me.
Yeah, right? Me too.
All right.
I got 2 teenage boys.
Oh, and how much does it cost?
It's $1,090. You can order it online at homebiogas.com.
Homebiogas.com.
Yes.
Okay.
And there's a whole knowledge center out there also if you go to the website, and it can answer any questions you have about biogas, about the system, how to set up. It's a very
Okay.
informative website.
Thank you so much,
Okay,
Tracy.
Thank you.